We all know the Model X is supposed to be a premium vehicle. The unfortunate thing is it doesn't have premium interior lighting, which really sucks. The ambient lighting, basically, it sucks inside the car. And since it sucks, we got an upgrade for you.
See, they call it cobs, almost like a corner of the cob. This is off right here, see how thin?
Yeah.
I was gonna put a strip like right here, but I didn't have time, because then you have to kind of split it. So this is like more than enough.
Oh, that's right. For all Model X owners, this is needed.
This comes in like a 16-foot roll, you can just cut it. But all it is the positive and the negative.
Yeah.
And then I have this remote, you can dim it down.
This is needed.
And then you can just turn it off just like that.
Yeah, because the ambient lighting of the normal ones suck.
Like this.
What is this? Awful.
Yeah, so maybe I'll put some more because it's so easy to stick anywhere.
But like, this is enough for you, no?
Yeah. No, I'm talking for
Oh, for the passengers. Where would you put it? Like maybe in here and have it shine down? Because for me, I obviously don't have this, so I would have to do something that goes like along there.